Hello everyone, my name is Devyansh and I am Artificial Intelligence Intern at Eagletfly. Today I am going to present you the Python language introduction. So first we will talk about what is Python. Python is a programming language that is widely used in web applications, software development, data science and machine learning. Developers use Python because it is efficient and easy to learn and can run on many different platforms. Python supports cross-platform development and is available through open sources. Python is widely used for scripting in game menu applications effectively. Now let's talk about the history of Python. It was invented in the Netherlands early by 90s by Guido van Rossum. Python was conceived in late 1980s and its implementation was started in December 1989. Guido van Rossum is a fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. This is famous TV show in Netherlands. This is why it is named after Monty Python. Below, the history of Python timeline is given. That is Python conceived in 1980s, in 1989 implemented and started. In 1994, Python first version was released. In 2000, second version released. In 2008, third version. And in 2015, Python 2.7, which is the end of life version, was declared. In 2020, the end of life Python 2 was declared. Here are some features of Python. First, it is easy to learn as it has very simple statements to write for coding. Second, it is cross-platform. It can be run in any platform operating system as it is scripted language. Third, it is open source, means it can be downloaded, changed, and distributed under grants permission. Fourth, it supports exception handling. Fifth, it has library of function or codes that can be used in making programs. It is scripted language. It's free. It supports machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. Now we will come up to the tokens in Python. Tokens are the smallest unit being used in program making, and these are first alphabets. Alphabets, we all know that these are characters like from capital A to Z and small a to Z. It also includes number from 0 to 9 and symbols like comma, semicolon, colons, bracket, square bracket, round bracket, etc. etc. Second is keyword. Keyword are the reserved or special words that convey special meaning to the interpreter. Example, print, if else, elif, while, class, etc. Third one is data type. Data type are used to identify type of data required by a system. For example, int, which are numbers, character, which are alphabets, float, and double. Tokens are the smallest individual unit in a program. Here the example is given like roll number, which is int, example number is 34, name is a character or a string, for example Dev, fee is a float number, for example 5000.75. Now we will talk about data types and operators of the Python. A data type is a mean of classifying a value and determining what operations can be performed on it. All objects have data type. For example, we have a diagram below for a class. First is bool, which is boolean value. Int is integer. Float, floating value. List, these are mutable sequence of objects. Tuple, these are immutable. Str, which is string, or we also say that this is character. Set, this is an ordered set of distinct objects. Dict, it is also called dictionary. Operators, operators are symbols used to carry out specific functions or computations. For example, given below in the diagram, double star is also called as exponentation, raised to the power. Plus, minus are addition and subtractions, and this is also called bitwise. Greater than, smaller than are comparison operators. Equals are equality operators. Is, not, and are the identity, membership, or logical operators. Now we will talk in detail about the operators. First one is arithmetic operator. These are used to perform arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. Example is also given below. Like we will take the value a10, b20, and we have to do addition. So we will take another value like s, which is equal to a plus b, then print sum of two numbers, which is s. So the output is 30. Second one is comparison operator. These operators are used to compare two or more exponents and return a boolean value. For example, x10 and y equal to 12. If x is greater than y, then x is greater or y is greater. Third one is logical operator, which are and or not. These operators are used to test a condition and return value as true or false. These are and operator returns true if both exponent value matches. Or operator returns true if any one of the exponent is true. Not operator returns negative of the exponent. Example, if marks are greater than or equal to 33 and marks are smaller than 45, then we will give the grade D. Now we will talk about control statements in Python. These are decision statements. In this, if statement, elif statement, if else statement will come. Another one is looping statements, which are for loops and while loops. First, conditional or decision statements in Python. First is if statement. It is a condition statement that will perform some operation if the expression given in it evaluates to true. Example, if where is equal to good and where is exactly equal to good, then print same. Second, elif statement. This statement is used in conjunction with the if statement to add some other condition which is evaluated if the condition in if statement fails. Example, where value given is good. If where is exactly equal to good, then print same. Elif where not equal to good, then print it is not same. Third, else statement. This statement is used to perform some operation if all the if and elif statement evaluates to be false. Example, where value is good. If where is not equal to good, then print not same, else print same. Now, the loop statements in Python. Loops in Python are statements that allow us to perform a certain operation multiple times unless some condition is fulfilled. First one is for loop. For loop is used to iterate iterable like string, tuple, list, etc. and perform some operations. For example, in for loop is for I in 10, 20, 30, print I. So the output is 10, 20 and 30. Now the range functions in for loop. The syntax is range, then bracket, start, comma, stop, comma, step, which includes step is default by 1, start is default by 0, stop is mandatory and is not included in the range. For example, we will give the range for I in range is 4, then print I is output is 0, 1, 2, 3 because we will always start with 0. Another loop is while loop. This is used for executing set of statements within its block as long as the associated loop condition is evaluated to true. For example, we will take the number count is equal to 5 while count is greater than 0, print count and count minus is equal to 1. So this gives the output 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will talk about list in Python. Lists are mutable, means we can do changes in it. It is denoted by square bracket and value separated using comma. For example, we will take A is empty list which is square. Now A is 10, 20, 30. Print A comma type A which gives the output 10, 20, 30 and the type is class list. Second example is also is heterogeneous example, which is different type of data we can add in the list. For example, we will take a empty list, then put some values in it like 10 Python 4.5. So this gives the output 10 comma Python comma 4.5 and the type is list. This also contains concatenation of list. For example, we have to add two lists, so we will do like if a is equal to 1 2 3 b 4 5 6, then we will take c is equal to a plus b, then print c which gives the output 1 2 3 4 5 6 and type list. Second is indexing. For example, we want to know the value of the index, so we will take as example like a is 10 20 30 Python 40 and now we want the value of first index, so we'll print a square bracket 1 which shows the value 20. Third one is slicing. In slicing, we cut the data from the list. For example, a list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we want the value 1 ratio 3, which means the output is 20 and 30 are the values after sliced. Now, sets in Python. Sets are mutable, comma, denoted by curved brackets and value are separated using comma. No indexing, no order, no duplicates means only unique values are allowed. For example, we will take empty set and we want to know the type. S is Python, so the output is pypnot. This is an order, and the data type is set. Now the tuples in Python. Tuples are also immutable like the list. It is denoted by round brackets and value separated using comma. Let's take the example. For example, we will take a as empty tuple and a is 1 2 3. Now print a comma type a. The output is 1 2 3, or this is the data type tuple. So after tuple we will talk about dictionary in Python. Dictionary is mutable and is denoted by key and value. Here key is unique and value we can add any value, and value separated by using comma. It has no indexing and no order. Let's take the example of dictionary. Here we will take D, which is empty dictionary, and A, B are its keys and values are 100 and 200. So when we add them, here the output came is A is 200, comma B is 200, where A and B are the keys and value are 100 and 200. So here is the Python introduction, and thank you all.